Welcome to all. This is Savita from Eltech Multitech, and my project title is Verifying Keys Through Publicity and Communities of Trust, Quantifying of Axis Corroboration, and my abstract is the DNS security extensions possibly makes DNS the first core internet system to be protected using public key cryptography. However, continuous success is only possible if several important operational issues can be addressed. For example, .government and .orpa have already suffered misconfigurations where DNS continued to function properly, but DNS security extension failed. An existing system is environment specified the existing DNS locator object. Otherwise, a new DNS locator object will be created with a new zone for the same domain name. This new duplicate zone will needed to be manually merged into the existing DNS zone using DNS console. And my disadvantage of existing system is that first of them is caused by the fact that DNS queries carry no information about the client that triggered the named resolution. All that the service side DNS server knows is the network address of the DNS server that has about the service location. The proposed system is we propose to achieve robust verification with a new theoretical model called public data. In thus, we need to be able to have visibility into and perform on path middle in attacks on arbitrary traffic into and out of up to 90% of all of the autonomous systems in the internet before having even a 10% chance of spoofing a DNS key. And the advantage is more reliable, faster, smarter and safer. And the system configuration undergoes hardware requirements. In hardware requirements, processor contains Pentium 4 and RAM 2 GB and hard disk 8 GB. Software requirements is operating system Windows 2007, contained HTML and Java, scripts JavaScript and database connectivity MySQL. And the module goes under 4 types: public data modules, build the vantage system, DNS security extension deployment model. In this, under mapping from public data to vantages, man in the middle attacks, and finally circuit analysis and verification. In that, public data models contains the demonstration that rather than using Boolean assurance of a cryptograph enhanced design alone, one can incorporate operational assurance and data source redundancy as first class elements of DNS security extensions crypto key verification. That is, cryptography is currently used as the core foundational built-in block of verification in DNS security extension. Using public data, Alice can compare her own observation of a DNS key with observations witnessed at other topological diverse locations. And the second one, build the vantage system. We demonstrate the effectiveness of the public data model. We have implemented it in an open source system called Vantages. Communities of trust are peer-to-peer networks where each witness is an individual Vantage daemon. Finally, when setting up an instance, the operator must specify a PGP key that is used to sign all data observed by daemon. And the third one is DNS security extension deployment model. DNS security deployment and choice of COT and adversary would need to be able to perform on path in middle attacks on arbitrary traffic of up to 90% of all the autonomous systems in the internet, or even a 10% chance of spoofing to a DNS key. And finally, mapping from public data to vantages is the community of trust concept in public data generically describes how a set of multiple vantages can act as witness and co-operator of verify public data. In a real system, not all parties will necessarily want to trust each other in the same community of trust. An operator should manually create the COT and not seek an auto-discovery mechanism. We mention the trust relationship of community of trust. Man in the middle attacks. It contains a network-based attack. An adversary must be able to capture and replace data packets that are in transit. Thus, EV must first to be able to observe these packets from a vantage that she or he has access to, and must then be able to interpose in communications. Finally, the security analysis and verifications. In this contains must attack the set of servers who can each report a zone's genuine key. Public data verification framework allows zone operators to augment the redundancy in a new way by serving the keys over different protocols and on different servers. Verification can be aided by redundancy of the serving keys from different sites and over different protocols. And we goes under the main architecture. First, it gives a request and response. In this handler, it connects to the DNS security extension deployment, and in this we expect the request and response from the web server, and he connect to the mapping from public data to the advantages. He connect to the communities of thread built and it container build vantage system. Finally, he goes along the public data deployment. Finally, connect to the request and response. And it contains two levels. Level 1, first it detects the duplication domain, and it goes along a secure key generation, and it from this access key generation. And level 2, domain change exchange access key exchange. It contains a security analysis and verification. And I am going to run my project. First one, verifying keys through publicity and communities of trust. First one, the home page. In this we enter ID, name, password, city, email ID and phone number. Give the submit. And then it registered the domain name, and we see the database table. In that domain exchange will account login, user login page is opened, and this user login page we enter the name or password. Finally it will be registered. Again we open the another request and response of the domain page. We give the key confirmation. Finally it will successfully open the other database, and then domain exchange successfully. And again we open the user login. After we register the page, after the key exchange, and the client process will start. Again we overthrow all the names of the database pages. Finally it comes the user details and user domain details separately, and finally comes the domain access successfully. And my last process is communication process login, and finally it is stopped. And the conclusion is the work is motivated by the fact that DNS security extension is fast becoming the first operational deployed internet scale distributed system that verifies itself using public key cryptography. We also used to our model make quality and quantity contributions to DNS by implementing deployment advantages, as it addresses the operational challenges ranging from using diverse data sources to aligning cost,